Hey, Sketchlab friends. Well, today we're drawing the cutest Christmas drink ever, a Reindeer Hot Chocolate. Chunky drips, big cute eyes, whipped cream swirls. This one is so fun. Grab your Poscas and let's draw. So we're starting off with 2 dots and a foreshortened circle. So we're drawing 3D today. So we're starting off with the cylinder for the mug. I'm gonna go ahead and draw these 2 vertical lines down for the side of the mug. I'm gonna make them about the same length. Now I'm gonna start to curve the corners. So I'm curving a line down, kind of curving the corners there. So right here, curving the corner, and then curving the corner on the left-hand side as well. So I'm gonna draw these 2 little marks down. Creates the foot of this little mug. Once again, curving a line down because it's a cylinder. And so at Sketchlab, I like to use the constructivist approach, building with shapes and forms. And so we do have construction lines that we sometimes erase. All right, let's work on this expression. So we're going to do this giant eyes today. We have 2 little white highlights. So we're doing this more chibi style today. Same thing, just moving my hand in an oval motion. And then I'm going to go ahead and add those white highlights. One bigger, one small. All right. Draw a little oval for the nose. A little Rudolph here, who's clearly fueled by sugar today. Drawing these lines that curve down. And then I'm going to go ahead and draw the marking around its mouth, its little snout. I'm just going to start with the basic shape here. Kind of looks a little bit like a triangle. The top is rounded. And I curve the bottom. So this is a cone. And now I'm going to go ahead and start curving lines out to the left. On the left-hand side of this cone. And so what we just did is just used a basic shape to establish the size and placement of the whipped cream. Now we're going in and using our contour lines and changing the outline of that form. So you can see on the right-hand side, we're curving lines out to the right. And these drips are vibing today. Look at those chocolate drips today. That whipped cream dripping over the edge of the cup. Gotta make it drippy. All right, so I'm gonna add a little mini marshmallow. So 2 dots, foreshortened circle. These 2 lines drawn down. And then I'm gonna match that curve down for the foot of the marshmallow. All right, here we go. We've got the chocolate dripping over the edge. It's creating these cozy vibes today. Add a little candy cane. Now I'm just going to match that same line that I drew. Curve line down. And these are called cross contour lines, so they curve around the form. The stripes on the candy cane. So now they look like they're wrapped around the form. So I hope you love doing these 3D drawings on SketchLab. We have a whole series, over 120 something videos now. I'm just going to go in and start cleaning up some of these construction lines. And so sometimes artists, we stand back from our artwork, we evaluate it, make any adjustments as needed. And so now we're starting the antlers. So I'm kind of using these oval shapes. And we're going to draw another antler now on this side. Same thing, drawing these oval shapes. On this side, we're kind of making it look a little bit like a letter V. Kind of the same thing with the top here. Adding in some little eyebrows. And then we're going to add the handle now. I'm just making 2 marks. So that, once again, just determines the size of this handle that I'm going to draw. So I'm going to outline with the Sharpie marker today. Some nice bold outlines. And then now I'm going to go ahead and establish a base color of brown. And then the darker brown is going to be the cacao brown today for shadows. So I've got ivory on the whipped cream and the marshmallow. And this is the cacao brown. Using beige for the shadows on the whipped cream. And I'll do that as well on the marshmallow. Also using some of that beige and cacao brown now to create the shadows and the highlights and the antlers. And once again, going with the cacao brown to add those shadows onto the mug. Beige for some of the highlights. I'll have some red and some dark red. A little bit of pink for some highlights. I'll also use beige for a shadow as well. Well, great job, artists. Your Reindeer Hot Chocolate looks adorable. Don't forget to grab your free coloring page in the post tab and check out the Christmas playlist for more cute holiday drawings. Well, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.